Okay, so I've had this robot for about a week now, so the Q robot, and it's never too early to teach your kids how to program. So I found this little robot, and let's dive into it. Let's see what it can do. So on the back here, you see there's an on button, so I'm going to turn it on. And then
what is up?
There you go. So Q starts talking to you, and for some reason it's not aiming at me, but it's got a bunch of microphones on it. So it's supposed to figure out where you are eventually. So to get it to start, you grab the pad and you start the thing. So it has a bunch of different functions on it. But what I wanted to show is basic programming. So it's pretty straightforward. It has a bunch of different challenges, and you can just sort of go in here and let's say go into move. That's the first challenge you have. It takes a while to load. There we go. So what you could do is you could start here. You've got the actions. Interesting. For some reason it's not working, huh? Oh, there we go. So it tells you that the robot can move based on these numbers here. So on this side it'll tell you how far it goes on the left, and on the right it'll tell you how fast it'll go there. Here we go. So if you want, you can go in there and you can change. So this is in JavaScript. You can go in there and change these values. Let's say if I wanted to make it go a little bit further, I would put in a larger value, such as 30, 36. But you can put any value you want. And then this is the cool feature that I like, is you can switch it into the block base mode by pressing that button, which makes it easier for kids to use it. Let me see. I'm hoping that it'll do it. Yeah. Okay, it's giving me an error for some reason. So I'll say discard and go to blocks. There we go. But anyway, so actions, here we go. For some reason it didn't want to convert what I'd done in JavaScript into Blockly. But yeah, that's the same thing. You can just click there and then use this to scroll and change the values if you want to do more or less on there. You press on the check mark, and then at the bottom down here you can just start the program, and most likely the robot will fall off the... There we go. Oh, well. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, it fell off. There we go. But anyway, that's a basic program that you can run. And as you can see, most of it works pretty flawlessly apart from the bugginess of it being pretty slow.